can tell there was like pizza in that first part because it kind of built up. It was like, oh yeah, I'm still here. RTSB Sack, y'all ready to rock? Make some noise. Give it up one time for TAT2.
Is comprised of 3 9-year-olds. All the way from Sacramento, California. I ask you to please put your hands together for these talented children right here. They go by the name
I know you've been going through some things. I know you don't even love the same. Do you? I know you've been running on empty. When you move, it's like it was a vacation. Drink. Party dance, I swear right now looks like you on vacation. Make it happen, whatever happened, just had to happen. On vacation, yeah. I know you've been dancing like it's something to believe in, dancing like it's fun, dancing season. Blame it on the secure. The harder your heart to keep beating. Only feel bad when you thinking. Pop like Pepsi. Look like you flew in from Mexico.
I know you're gonna dig this.
While we do it,
I do it for the
crib alone.